So, you have your eye on an Audemars Piguet, but don't want to sell your mid-range car to pay for it? No problem. Many of us dream of owning one too. As an avant-garde pioneer of the luxury watch industry, this Swiss marquis belongs to an echelon dubbed the Holy Trinity of Watches, or Holy Trinity of Swiss watchmaking. The manufacturer's repertoire is lined up with some of the finest and most highly coveted timepieces that reconceptualize fine watchmaking. This is because the brand is one of the most famous watch manufacturers in the world and is right next to Patek Philippe and Vacheron Constantin. Owning an average Audemars Piguet watch will cost you anywhere between $40,000 to over $200,000. Top-of-the-line models will even set you back around the same amount as a brand-new Porsche 918 Spyder. The good news for people who want to add a Grail AP piece to their watch collection, not all Audemars Piguet watches are priced the same. You can own several fantastic cheap watches from the Swiss giant for a surprisingly reasonable investment. In this video, we're going to look at 9 of the cheapest Audemars Piguet watches on the market right now. About Audemars Piguet watches. Audemars Piguet is an ultra-luxury brand whose watches are idolized in the horological world. Famous for its rich and illustrious heritage, the watch company was founded in 1875 by Jules-Louis Audemars and Edward Auguste Piguet in La Brassus, Switzerland. Both founders were skilled watchmakers and collaborated to create complicated watches with exceptional craftsmanship. They aimed to produce complete watches rather than just supplying movements to other companies, which was a common practice at the time. In 1892, Audemars Piguet introduced the world's first minute-repeating wristwatch, a groundbreaking achievement in watchmaking. This invention was followed by other notable complications, including perpetual calendars, chronographs, and grand complications, establishing the brand's reputation for technical prowess. Throughout the following decades, the brand produced a range of timepieces, including dress watches, sports watches, and high complications, cementing its position as a leading luxury watch manufacturer. One of the brand's most iconic models is the Royal Oak, introduced in 1972. Designed by Gerald Gente, the Royal Oak pioneered the advent of luxury sports watches. It featured an octagonal bezel secured with exposed screws and an integrated bracelet, challenging traditional design conventions. The watch became a sensation and has remained one of the most recognizable and sought-after luxury watch models in the world. As the brand's reputation widened, Audemars Piguet watches became known for their combination of artistry, technical excellence, and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of watchmaking. Each timepiece reflects the brand's unwavering pursuit of horological perfection and is considered a symbol of luxury and prestige, allowing it to command higher prices in the watch market. So, are cheap Audemars Piguet watches worth it? When it comes to AP, a cheap watch will be priced anywhere between $17,000 and $35,000. While a timepiece worth several $1,000s should not be termed cheap, it's pretty much on the affordable end of the brand's luxury watch spectrum. An entry-level AP watch is totally worth buying because as a prestigious luxury watchmaker committed to preserving the art of traditional watchmaking, each timepiece is meticulously crafted. Not only are you adding a remarkable watch to your collection, which is both functional and artistic, but you also invest in something valuable that can be passed down to future generations. All AP watches, irrespective of price, exude tradition, expertise, and exclusivity. So why are Audemars Piguet watches expensive? AP watches are expensive because of factors like exceptional craftsmanship. Each AP watch is meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans. The brand is renowned for its commitment to precision, attention to detail, and use of high-quality materials. The labor-intensive nature of their production process increases the cost. The brand has always been guided by the principles of quality over quantity. Materials. Another factor that contributes to the high cost of the watches is the high-end materials used to produce them. Some of the materials include the finest precious metals like gold and platinum, as well as ceramic and forged carbon. Limited production. AP maintains a policy of limited production to maintain exclusivity and preserve the brand's desirability. Only about 40,000 timepieces are produced each year. As a comparison, around 1 million watches leave the Rolex Atelier each year, while Omega is estimated to manufacture about 500,000 timepieces a year. This limited availability, combined with high demand, drives prices for an AP watch higher due to the principles of supply and demand. Complex movements. Many of Audemars Piguet's movements are hand-finished and decorated, featuring intricate engravings, perlage, and Côte de Genève decorations. These movements require extensive research, development, and engineering expertise, which, of course, also means exclusive prices. Innovation and design. They have introduced several groundbreaking features and complications, such as the world's thinnest automatic tourbillon movement and the first ever skeletonized perpetual calendar. Their watches often feature unique and complex complications, such as the tourbillons, perpetual calendars, or minute repeaters, contributing to their higher prices. Brand prestige and association with royalty and celebrities. AP has established itself as one of the most prestigious and respected watch brands globally. The brand's long history, commitment to excellence, and association with luxury and exclusivity contribute to its premium pricing. Its watches have, for a very long time, been associated with royalty, celebrities, and influential individuals. This association adds to their appeal and prestige. Prominent figures such as LeBron James, Jay-Z, and Arnold Schwarzenegger have been known to wear Audemars Piguet timepieces. Marketing and advertising. Luxury watch brands like Audemars Piguet invest significantly in marketing and advertising campaigns to build brand awareness, maintain their image, and attract customers. As you'd expect, these costs are reflected in the final price of the brand's timepieces. Don't get it twisted. Cheap versus fake Audemars Piguet watches. The term cheap Audemars Piguet watches is somewhat contradictory because AP is known everywhere in the world for its exclusivity and prestige. Very cheap AP watches sold at significantly lower prices than market value are often counterfeit or replica watches. There are thousands of fake AP watches with low prices, but please do not purchase a cheap counterfeit or replica AP watch. And here's why. Number 1. Counterfeit AP watches are typically made with subpar materials and inferior craftsmanship. Number 2. Counterfeit AP watches have zero intrinsic value and will never appreciate in worth. And number 3, supporting the counterfeit market not only undermines the integrity of a legitimate brand like Audemars Piguet, but also contributes to criminal activities such as counterfeiting, trademark infringement, and organized crime. 9 of the cheapest Audemars Piguet watches. Here's a list of the 9 cheapest Audemars Piguet watches you can find in the brand's current catalog. Number 1. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Selfwinding, reference number 15510ST. First introduced in 1972, the Royal Oak is one of AP's flagship models. The watch is known for its sporty yet elegant aesthetic that combines robust construction with refined details. Celebrities are crazy about the Royal Oak collection, and the watch has been spotted on the wrists of Steph Curry, Travis Scott, Drake, Justin Bieber, Will Smith, and Serena Williams, to name a few. The design of the reference number 15510ST is characterized by a distinctive octagonal-shaped case inspired by a ship's porthole. The stainless steel case and glare-proof sapphire crystal on the top measures 41 millimeters in diameter and has a thickness of 10.5 millimeters. The silver-toned grand tapestry dial has a delicate texture with sleek hour markers, a date window at 3 o'clock, and the brand's logo at 12. The new Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Self-Winding 15500ST is visible through the watch's transparent caseback and is known for its precision and reliability. It retails for approximately $27,700. Number 2. The Audemars Piguet Code 11.59 Self-Winding, reference number 15210ST. The Code 11.59 collection was introduced in 2019 and represents a significant departure from Audemars Piguet's traditional designs. People in several watch forums have complained about this timepiece and said it's boring, too simple, and lacks personality. But this right here is just as much a status symbol as the prestigious Royal Oak. The Code 11.59 reference 15210ST features a round case made of stainless steel. The case diameter is 41 millimeters, and the watch has a thickness of 10.7 millimeters. The case also comes with a sapphire crystal on both the front and back, providing a clear view of the movement. Featuring a green dial with white gold hour markers and luminous hands, this watch signals an audacious and resolute turn toward the future. It's powered by the Caliber 4302, developed and manufactured in-house by Audemars Piguet. The self-winding movement operates at a frequency of 4 Hz and provides a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. The good news is that you can own this iconic timepiece for around $25,000. Number 3. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Quartz, reference number 67650ST. While the Royal Oak collection is primarily known for its mechanical watches, Audemars Piguet also offers a quartz version within the range. The quartz models feature a battery-powered movement offering precise timekeeping and ease of use. For a little above $17,000, you can own a piece of the legendary Royal Oak collection, which is one of the brand's most iconic and successful lines. The Quartz, reference number 67650ST, features a case and bracelet made of stainless steel. The case measures 33 mm across and has a height of 7 mm. The black dial is very captivating and features a Grand Tapissier pattern. Grand Tapissier is French for large tapestry, and in this case, it describes the intricate, repetitive motif and richly textured design of the dial. Number 4. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Diver, reference number 15720ST. Behold, an investment-worthy watch that flawlessly balances form and function. Not only is the Offshore Diver superbly elegant and luxurious, but it's also one of the most durable dive watches in the world. The timepiece is water-resistant to a depth of 300 meters or 1,000 feet and features 2 gray ceramic screw lockdown crowns and a unidirectional rotating bezel, both of which contribute to its water resistance. As a dive watch, the Royal Oak Offshore Diver includes features that are useful for underwater exploration. It has a prominent minute scale on the dial, which allows divers to track their elapsed dive time accurately. The inner blue bezel, with a zone from 60 to 15 minutes in white, can be used to measure dive times as well, thanks to its unidirectional rotation and luminous marker at 12 o'clock. The stainless steel case has a diameter of 42 mm and a thickness of 14.2 mm. The intriguing Mega Tapissier pattern on the gray dial is complemented by white gold applied hour markers and luminescent hands, which guarantee legibility in the darkest and deepest waters. It retails for about $30,000. Number 5. The Audemars Piguet Code 11.59 Self-Winding White Gold, reference number 15210BC. The idea behind Code 11.59 is to introduce classic round timepieces that resonate with contemporary clients who are fashion-conscious. If you have a flair for ostentatious luxury watches that are good-looking without being over-the-top, you should consider this icon. The reference number 15210BC is the epitome of modern luxury and comes in a sleek 41mm 18-karat white gold case. The splendor of the white gold case causes it to shine brilliantly depending on the light conditions. Every feature of this watch is impressively detailed, and the breathtaking dial with almost no bezel is the star of the show. The smoked blue lacquer dial with a sunray pattern base is adorned with striking white gold applied hour markers and hands. The watch is powered by the self-winding caliber 4302 and comes mounted on a comfortable black rubber-coated strap with an 18-karat white gold pin buckle. Number 6. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Jumbo Extra Thin, reference number 16202ST. With such a grand display of exquisite craftsmanship and incomparable aesthetic sensibility, it's a win-win situation for you when you get this watch for around $35,000. The reference number 16202ST pays tribute to the original Royal Oak from 1972 and features a sleek 39mm stainless steel case with a slim profile of 8.1mm thickness. The watch is powered by the latest ultra-thin self-winding caliber 7121. This movement is known for its precision and reliability and is considered one of the thinnest automatic movements in the world. The Bleu Nuit Noir Sans Compte Petite Tapestry dial is decked with refined white gold hands and hour markers, providing a luxurious contrast against the dial background. It's paired with a matching bracelet that integrates seamlessly with the case. Number 7. Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph, reference number 26238ST. This sports timepiece is precise, sophisticated, and indestructible. The robust 42mm case is crafted from stainless steel and is accompanied by a blue rubber strap with textile decorations and stainless steel pin buckle, adding to its sporty aesthetic. The Mega Tapissier dial is highly detailed and features a variety of functions. We have black subdials with orange accents for measuring hours, minutes, and seconds at 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 12 o'clock, as well as a date display at 3 o'clock. Inside the watch, you'll find the latest flyback chronograph, the caliber 4404 with 40 jewels, 433 parts, and a power reserve of 70 hours. Number 8. Audemars Piguet Millenary Hand Wound. Reference number 77247OR. Most people are well aware that Audemars can come with a hefty price tag. Even though this Millenary hand-wound variation retails at $35,900, used versions can range from $10,000 to $15,000. It has a jewel-studded design which makes it hard to look away from. Another intriguing aspect about this watch is how it contrasts with the popularity of the Royal Oak and Offshore models. Both are widely popular in their own way, but the Millenary provides more of a unique look and feel. You can rest easy knowing the watch is supported by an AP 5201 caliber movement with a modest power reserve of 39 hours. If style comes first in your world, this watch hits the nail on the head. It definitely isn't built for much outdoor use, but it does act as an excellent piece to any stylish outfit. While I would say it's more suitable for professional environments, the watch looks just fine with many casual fits as well. The 18-karat pink gold is what really sells this watch, before you get into the impressive mechanics underneath. Number 9. Audemars Piguet Code 11.59 Chronograph. Reference number 26393ST. Need an affordable AP watch that offers the brand's statement of power and prestige on your wrist? AP's got you covered with the Code 11.59 Chronograph, a watch that has discerning collectors rushing to get their hands on it. The large 42mm diameter of this timepiece gives us an expansive view of the striking dial. The dial is protected by a double-curved crystal that offers a magical optical effect on the watch's face. The thickness of the case is 12.6mm, so it certainly makes its presence known on the wrist, which is a good feel. The Blood Nuit Noir Sans Compte dial has an eccentric design characterized by a multi-layered construction, creating depth and visual interest. The watch is fitted with a rubber-coated strap with stainless steel pin buckle and retails for approximately $35,000. So in conclusion, Audemars Piguet's unparalleled approach to watchmaking has placed it as one of the top Swiss watch brands of all time. The fact that it has remained an independent and family-owned business for almost 150 years now makes it the most traditional Swiss watchmaking company. If you value the heritage and unique identity of AP watches, don't hesitate to add one to your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this.
Thanks for joining us. If you're in the market to buy a watch, Exquisite Timepieces is an authorized dealer for more than 60 luxury watch brands, including Omega, Seiko, Grand Seiko, Hublot, Oris, Longines, along with the rest of the great high-end watch brands. Visit our website at exquisisetimepieces.com, call us at 239-227-2932, or come in and shop our store location in Naples, Florida.